Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the official Microsoft Word app and signing in. This is the only reliable way to use Word on iPhone with full functionality. Once installed, open Word and tap Sign In. Use your Microsoft account so templates, cloud save, and editing sync work. Make sure to allow access to files and camera when prompted. That lets you open local documents and scan pages. You're now ready for a new doc. Tap the plus icon to begin. You create and edit by choosing New Document or opening a file from OneDrive or Files. Pick a template if you want structure. Once inside, use the ribbon toolbar to format text, apply styles, insert pictures, add tables, and use comments. These controls behave like desktop Word but optimized for touch. Make edits directly and rely on autosave if signed into OneDrive. Otherwise, tap the menu to save a copy to files as. You finish by reviewing in read mode and using track changes and comments to confirm edits. Make sure formatting looks right on your phone screen. When ready, export or share via mail, AirDrop, or save back to OneDrive or Files as a docx or PDF. If something fails, like saving or syncing, sign out and back in, update the Word app, and verify files and network permissions. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.